Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to replace Honda Fit windshield wipers. First, ensure you have the correct size replacement blades. Typically, the driver's side is 28 inches and the passenger's side is 14 inches. You'll also need a clean cloth and possibly a small flathead screwdriver. Begin by gently lifting both wiper arms away from the windshield until they stand upright. Place a protective towel on the glass to prevent damage if an arm accidentally drops. Now let's remove the old blades. Look closely at the connection point where the blade meets the arm. You'll usually find a small tab or button that needs to be pressed or squeezed. While holding this tab, slide the old wiper blade downwards, away from the arm's hook. It should detach with a gentle pull. Remember to keep a firm grip on the wiper arm to prevent it from springing back and potentially cracking your windshield. With the old blades removed, it's time to install the new ones. Take your new wiper blade and align its connector with the hook on the wiper arm. Gently slide the arm's hook into the new blade's connector. Push it firmly upwards until you hear a distinct click, indicating it's securely locked. Give it a light tug to confirm it's properly seated and won't come loose during operation. Repeat this process for the other wiper blade. Finally, let's test your newly installed wipers. Gently lower both wiper arms back down onto the windshield. Before driving, spray your windshield with washer fluid and activate your wipers. Observe their movement. They should glide smoothly across the glass, clearing water effectively without leaving streaks or chattering. This simple check ensures proper installation and optimal visibility for safe driving in various weather conditions. You've successfully replaced your Honda Fit wiper blades.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.